All right, guys, this is getting under that 1957 Volkswagen Beetle. Look at this thing. All the metal is all in great shape. It is really well done. All new bushings, everything's looking all good with all that. The shocks, and look at this floor pan. It is just in perfect shape. All new nuts and bolts on both sides. All the metal all the way around. This thing just looks amazing. It really does. Under here, got your engine. Has right under 500 miles on it. New shocks. This thing is just perfect. You can see right here, even with just 500 miles on it, these all tend to leak just a little bit. There's just no getting away from it. It is just like having a Harley. There's oil in it. It leaks just a little bit. Wait till you see how this one drives. It is awesome. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1957 Volkswagen Beetle. It is just awesome all the way around. It really is. It is done in this diamond green. It has a light beige interior. It's got the birth certificate showing that this is an authentic 1957 Volkswagen delivered to here in the United States. So that's what is just really awesome about it. It's withgone a full restoration all the way through, from all the metal, all the paint, the interior, the undercarriage, just down even to the hubcaps. This thing is just awesome. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the 1957 Volkswagen, and this thing is in such great shape, just all the way around. If you were looking for a very well taken care of Volkswagen, this is definitely it. You can just see, I mean, the paint is in such great shape. All the body works metal. Most of the times that these are just, you know, decent shape, or that they're, you know, all right. This one, it is definitely a showstopper. I mean, just from the window sills, all the trim, everything on here is in such great shape. It really is. The glass, it's all from Germany. If you just look at this thing, and when you can tell when these have rebuilt motors, there's a distinct smell. This one has it. It's just, it actually smells good. It looks good. All the trim, the lights, I mean the bumpers, the hubcaps, the Coker tires, I mean everything on here is in such great shape. So this is off just a little bit. That is one of the flaws I can kind of point out, but everything else, man. Tires are brand new. Right at 500 miles on the engine. Same with all the tires. The restoration was a little bit longer than that. But just look, this thing is just in awesome shape. Let's get through here, show you how well and how good a shape the frunk is in. Look at that. Gas tank, it's all been painted. All this metal is in just such good shape. Look at it. It's just perfect. What I really like about this is, look, so all the original tools, that is amazing. These are just hard to get on their own, let alone the whole entire set. I love the patina with that too. Really just sets it off. Got the jack. I mean, this has all of the stuff that you want. The emblem, alignment, everything. It's just perfect. This, again, the only thing where alignment is kind of off is right there on that door. Nothing bad. Door panels, look at that, in great shape. Windows, look at that, actually are nice and sealed. Everything's nice and tight on that. It's a little firm kind of going down, but you can tell they're just newer. And let's see, there we go. $455 miles. If we get the stereo to work, we know the lights do work. Wipers work. Oh yeah. So the horn kind of works, not real loud, but it does work. I like how they did this under here too. I mean, everything's just new. You can just tell. It is all in such great shape all the way around. Headliner, it is sagging right there just a little bit. See how that. So it's in good shape. It is just kind of needs to be tucked in there. Yeah, so that's sagging just a little bit there, but look at everything else. No, just not working. I can't tell if there's, doesn't look like there's one in there. I can't quite tell with my glasses on, but look at this. I mean, not even sat in. The thing is in extremely good shape. Go back here to the engine. And yeah, look at that. This had a fresh service for the 500-mile service, all new, all the original stuff on here. He went through and made sure that it had all the right stuff, just like it should. This does have a birth certificate with it as well. And coming over here, again, everything is all new, just the way that you want it. Look at that. Really good shape. Oh, let's try the, there we go. That's up and down, really nice and smooth. This fitment here is in really good shape. Let's get in this test drive. All set up. Click your ticket. Right. Yeah, so just a couple flaws. It's got the door sagging just a little bit, and then this right here is a pretty simple fix. So, stereo's not working. Thing's so new and in good shape, it's just so hard to tell. Running. Yeah, just it runs so good. So obviously, no AC. See how this thing drives. Oh yeah, dude, it shifts so well. This is just like a brand new 1957 Bug. I'm gonna tell you, it really is. It's in such good shape. Thing rides out. It's very, very nice. If you're looking for a Volkswagen, this is definitely it. Oh yeah. Brakes are good for a 1957 Volkswagen, but brakes are good. Transmission smooth. It shifts really nice. Of course, these things are not crazy fast, but they are really good shape. When you get one like this, this is definitely one that you can take to the show, and it's definitely a winner. Definitely not going to beat a GTR, but the nostalgia of it, this thing's a winner, that's for sure. So it brakes nice, shifts nice, really high quality on this one. This is it. If you're looking for a high quality Volkswagen, this is definitely one that you want. We have online financing. We have more than 250 photos of this one and all of our other vehicles. We also have nationwide transport directly to your driveway. ClassicCarAddict.com. See you guys on the next one.